So the 335i has a misfire. Late Friday night, cylinder 5 started misfiring. We had a rough running engine and a flashing yellow check engine lights. We had to abandon ship and come back the next morning with some tools and some parts to try and diagnose and fix the issue. When I first started it up, the car was sounding healthy and running smooth, but things quickly started to change. Got a little bit of vibration coming back in. I think it might be about to misfire. There we go. Been running fine for the last 20 minutes. You can hear how rough the engine sounds. It's definitely something out of whack. So it's still a cylinder 5 misfire. So we're gonna go ahead and try a different spark plug and potentially ignition coil. So stranded in the Euro car parts car park, I started taking apart all of the parts of the engine bay needed to have a look at the spark plugs. This car actually has some upgraded ignition coils. These are from the B58 with a great conversion kit from Setes Automotive. And you can see this cylinder here is the one that is the problem. I pulled it out. The coil looks okay, no build-up, which is what we'd expect given it's only a few thousand miles old. I then pulled the spark plug out to have a look at that, and that told a different story. The one on the right is obviously the old spark plug, lots of carbon build-up there, not looking very healthy. So I changed this out, put the new one back in, and then set about switching over the coils. Now the thinking behind this with the misfire is if it's a coil, you can swap over 2 of the coils and see if the misfire moves. So I swapped cylinder 5 for cylinder 3, plugged them back in, and then thought we would test it to see what's happening. But there's cylinder 3, and there is cylinder 5, those are the 2 I swapped. Went ahead and put everything back together, tightened up those bolts, and there she is, ready to test. First start up the car, see if she runs sweet. That already sounds happier. I'll take this for a quick drive around the block once it's heated up, and I'll report back. After a quick drive around the block, it became clear that the issue was not going to return, and that means the issue was our spark plug. Now, these spark plugs are only a couple of thousand miles old. However, I think we might need to go one step colder to protect the spark plugs from any future issues. We'll be going MHD stage 2+ very soon when I fit a Wagner intercooler, so we will need some colder plugs when that happens, and I will film a video and upload it to keep you guys posted on what happens next.